So if you're at a budget of 150,000 naira and you're wondering what kind of smartphone you can actually get at that price point currently in Nigeria, don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to mention 5 budget smartphones that actually stood out to me. So if you're interested, please give this video a thumbs up and let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Aslord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're actually going to be talking about 5 budget smartphones that are currently selling at 150,000 naira in Nigeria. So the first smartphone that actually stood out to me is the Infinix Hot 40i. The Infinix Hot 40i was lately launched last year alongside the Infinix Hot 40 series devices. It comes with an innovative 3D design and a nice build quality as well. Infinix Hot 40i sports 6.56-inch IPS LCD 720 pixel display. It has a 20:9 aspect ratio and a peak brightness of 180 nits, which is not that bad for its price point. And yeah, it is cool for consuming content. Though it was previously selling at 100,000 naira, but it is currently selling at 142,000 naira. Is the price difference for me? So this device powers the Infinix Hot TC06 processor, which is a 12nm built-on process. And also it sees the Mali G57 MP1 GPU, which is the same chipset that we had in the iTel S23 and the iTel P55. The Infinix Hot 40i has 3 rings on the rear, one for an LED flash and the other are 60 megapixel main camera and a 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. And also it has a 32 megapixel selfie camera or selfie shot. This device boasts a 5000 mAh battery that can literally last you a whole day on a single charge. So if you're getting the Infinix Hot 40i, it's worth it. Yeah, iTel S23 is currently selling at 120,000 naira, and as per that price, it comes with 6.6-inch IPS LCD panel, 90 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 720 by 612 pixels. iTel S23 has a nice design and not the iPhone 20 design. With that being said, this device has a cool design that will actually catch up your attention at first glance. iTel S23 powers same chipset like the Infinix Hot 40i, which is the 12nm Infinix Hot TC06 octa-core processor, and also it runs on Android 12. This device comes with an internal memory storage of 4GB RAM and 128GB of ROM. The iTel S23 rocks double camera modules, which are 50 megapixel main camera and 0.8 megapixel AI lens. And also this device has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and it houses a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh, which is pretty decent. The next budget smartphone I recommend you buying in 2024 is the iTel P55. This device is pretty cool and the performance is on average. Not really average though. Since it powers the Infinix Hot TC06 processor, you are not to expect anything above average from it. The iTel P55 has same display and camera configuration like the devices I mentioned, and also the device has 8 megapixel selfie camera with dual flashlight, one on the rear and one on the front. The iTel P55 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and also it comes with a micro SD card slot for further memory expansion, so you don't need to worry about space constraints or limitation. So for the price point, this device is currently selling at 128,000 naira. So the iTel P55T is another budget smartphone I will highly recommend at that price. It is just a replica of the iTel P55. It has same 50 megapixel camera, same display, same internal memory storage and same chipset. The iTel P55T powers a massive 6000 mAh battery, which is a significant difference from the 5000 mAh battery we had in the iTel P55. With that being said, this device is cool and it is currently selling at 102,000 naira. So I'll be concluding my list with the Samsung Galaxy A05, which happens to be the coolest device. But here are 3 things you need to know. 1. This device does not come with any essential accessories in the box except of the Type-C to C cable. 2. This device does not have any fingerprint scanner. And 3. This device does not have a screen recorder. So if you're not going to be considering any of those cons I mentioned, then here you go. The Samsung Galaxy A05 has a more sharp and slightly taller display compared to the rest of the devices I mentioned. It actually sports 6.7-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. This device has a more premium feel and look and will probably outperform the rest of the devices I mentioned in terms of performance. It powers the MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor with Mali G52 SE2 GPU. The Samsung Galaxy A05 has a 50 megapixel main camera, and also it houses a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh. They can literally last you a whole day on a single charge if you are not a heavy user. So all the devices I mentioned are pretty cool devices to get in 2024. So let me know in the comment section which of the device you would love to get, and if you are interested, you can actually use my affiliate link on the description to get any of these devices. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and please do not forget to support our YouTube channel by subscribing and turning the notification bell on. See you in the next video. Peace out.